In this video, I want to go over the carriage controls, mainly focusing on the knobs, the directional knobs that is. The first one I want to talk to you about is considered the Z knob. Now the Z on a lathe is the plane that goes side to side, let's say, this direction. This one is used if you're going to make a long cut all the way down an item. Let's say when you're cutting the body of your scribe, you want a nice long smooth cut. Now the next one we're going to talk about is our Z axis, our X axis. The X axis moves front to back, so in and out. We're going to use this one if we needed to create a step or face apart. Now these two ones are locked into place. You can only do Z and X with this one. Now this is called the cross slide. Cross slide is a movable directional slide. There's two Allen bolts right here. You can loosen them up, spin this thing 360 degrees to make whatever cut you need to. Typically you might do a small chamfer on the end of your round part, or just get into some maybe hard to reach places. This one, just this little knob up here, you're not going to use this one a ton. The one thing I want to point out though is this little locking bolt right here on the side. Typically when you're doing like threading or something like that, you want everything to stay locked into where it is, and that just makes it so this one cannot move. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to flip to a cutaway, and we're going to go a little bit closer and show these different slides in action. Not good? Okay. So the first thing I want to showcase is the cross slide. So the cross slide, again, is just to make some little fine or odd cuts. We're going to go ahead and push it in and just cut this corner down. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip it off really quick here. Hit the brake. Now can you see there's a little bit of a dovetail cut into the end here, and it's kind of the shape of this cutter. Next we're going to flip it on, and we're going to face the part. So typically the first thing you're going to do in every job is you're going to face a part. And we're going to start a little bit. This is that X axis, and we're just going to face off every part before we start. Next, we're going to go into the Z axis, and we're going to make a long cut, okay? Let me just back it out a little bit. Oh, there we go. We're going a little bit more. And that's it.